Hi, I'm Dr. Ashish and I work at Aster RV Bangalore. So another very common question which people ask me is, Doc, I've decided to undergo my total knee replacement, but what is the best implant out there? Now, it's a little difficult to get into the technical aspect of it, but on a superficial level, when we start talking about the implants, we talk about the metal that the implant is made out of. And very commonly, you're approached with three options. One is the cobalt chrome implant, two is the titanium implant, and three, the latest, which is zirconium implants. So I have with me here a cobalt chrome, a titanium implant, which is gold plated, and the new zirconium implant. Now, what is the difference between the three of them, if you ask? The cobalt chrome was the workforce for all total knee implants coming in from the 80s all the way to 2000s. But the problem with it is the metal, as it starts to age, becomes brittle and starts to leave out metal ions, which we found can get into your bloodstream. So the improvement was made with titanium, which is a more inert metal and doesn't react with your body. And if you weigh them, this is slightly more weightless compared to this. But again with it, we found that the wear and tear in the titanium was, although better than the cobalt chrome, was not sufficient. So we are looking for an implant which will give us the best longevity, which brought us to the zirconium implant. Now this alloy is made out of 95% of zirconium and 5% of niobium and is weightless, literally, right? But the beauty is, once it is oxidized, we find a ceramic coating is formed. This ceramic coating, compared to the titanium and the cobalt, is far more smoother and so produces less friction, and which is what we are all looking for, to reduce friction, reduce wear. And second, it has twice the tensile strength of your cobalt chrome implant and is less brittle. So you don't find those metal ions forming over time. So if you ask me which is the best implant, let me put it this way. You have a car which costs 5 lakhs, you have a car which costs 10 lakhs, you have a car which costs 20 lakhs, right? They're all cars at the end of the day. They get you from point A to point B. And none of these implants are bad implants. But a cobalt chrome usually is said to last maybe 10 to 15 years, a titanium 15 to 20 years, but the new and latest zirconium coated implants last for 25 to 30 years as claimed by the companies, right? So if you've got the money, I would always say invest in the best, provides you the best comfort. But if you don't, it doesn't mean that you can't have good knees. A cobalt chrome has been the donkey for total knee replacement for the longest time. So it can serve you very well also. All right, at Aster RV, again, we have all the different type of implants available over here, and all of them are imported implants. Although our Indian companies are now starting to produce good quality implants, we still find that there is a little bit of gap. And so as of now, still most of them are imported implants which are used. I urge you to come down, take a look and see with your own eyes and feel it with your own hands, because nothing like, seeing it and touching it and before it goes into your body. And we can further talk about the different advantages and disadvantages of each type of implant and the systems which are there. Looking forward to seeing you. Take care.